Austin's not gonna play.
Yeah, I know.
Been sus.
They went, ha ha ha, why?
Because you hate their laughter? That's so rude.
You know, like the way they typed ha ha, huh?
That's no. They didn't go ha ha ha. They went ha ha ha.
Oh shit, yeah, you're right, you got a point there.
Someone voted for goat.
2 people
I'll be
voted for me,
surprised.
actually.
I mean, egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Cyan just vented.
What do you mean?
You weren't around, and then
no.
all of a sudden you come out a balcony? Yeah, you definitely
Did you
vented.
not see
I've
me
been
run
very clever in
down?
the chat
No.
because it's just you 2.
Dude, no.
I,
What?
I mean, maybe I'm just drunk and didn't say
Type it in the
but
chat.
I really doubt it. I did. I did. I said it.
I didn't see that, my bad. Allegedly. Build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. Who you telling?
I'm just over here being dead. What?
So who you telling, bro? I'm dead too.
I
Bro,
was
you're
trying to kill
literally,
goat, but I
you're
had a
literally
cool
crazy.
kill down.
You're literally crazy. Yeah, I'm still imposter. Like, that's
Yeah.
just so insane to me. I did not vent that entire game. It's like the time I made up egg venting. Bro, I have never seen that perk in my life.
That was fast.
Wait, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in, see what.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, it's double tap. I'm so stupid. I have seen that.
Oh, it's double tap.
You're-
Oh, I didn't know that you messaged me in the chat, Skylar.
Your month is double tap. I am the cherry one.
So, goat, did you get me my beanbag
Dead.
for my birthday?
No, I didn't.
Damn.
Because I forgot. But I can.
I'm just kidding.
White is dead in the hallway, and Lime came down to cafe. Vote Lime.
Vote Lime,
He's
he's
sus.
sus.
I can't agree with that.
Had to have been fighting their way to the button.
Like, okay.
Why?
It was unanimous.
Goat, like, has a black screen up right now.
Yeah, it's 'cause
Yeah,
you-
because my
you
mic.
put it-
I cover my micro or my camera when I stand up because of my gray sweatpants.
Fuck up.
You have problems.
I don't. I just don't want you guys to see how gray they are.
Yeah.
God,
It's not a flattering color.
you get a strike for that.
We're talking
Straight one.
about sweatpants, bro. What? Oh no! What have I done?
in the chat.
I hate that you have a straight fucking face when you type this bullshit.
So, goat, who would you vote for?
The birthday girl, duh.
I mean, I voted for like,
Oh, so did everyone fucking vote for me?
Good enough for me. Yeah.
Thanks.
Well done, team.
I didn't vote for you, Blue.
Happy birthday.
That's what I call anyone who's brown. I call them shit-stained brown. Woo. Start! Start! Wait, hold on. Let me say it too.
Are you good, Egg?
Did you guys?
it's really
Okay, fine. I'll fucking
Wait.
start. If only... What? What?
Ah! I was trying
Damn
to
it! You didn't let go finish. Now he's gonna go do the fucking button.
I didn't get to finish what I was doing either, so... Go
The
through.
fuck?
Don't even.
Okay, go. Don't do it, go. Don't. I got it.
I got it, bro. Oh, that's what you wanted to do, Mr. Shitstain Brown. Stop with that serious look on your face.
Oh,
What are
wait,
you talking about?
do you have your cam on?
Yes, I do.
It is not me, Skylar. For one, it's not me.
Somewhere over the rainbow. High.
Damn. Why do people vote for me? That's so rude.